If you're looking to sell cloud hosting services, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to dive into how to sell cloud hosting services with Vendasta, a software that can help you scale your services fast and efficiently. Stick around because I'll also show you how to get access to this software for free with exclusive bonuses, so you won't want to miss that. Now, Vendasta is an all-in-one platform that can transform the way you offer cloud hosting services. It provides a suite of tools for resellers like you, giving you everything from sales and marketing automation to customer management, all wrapped in a single, easy-to-use platform. First, Vendasta makes it super simple to offer cloud hosting services to businesses. You don't have to worry about the technical side of things. The platform lets you sell cloud hosting without needing an in-depth understanding of infrastructure or setup. Vendasta partners with cloud hosting providers, so all you need to do is find the right fit for your customers and market it as part of your portfolio. Next thing, the platform's integration with its marketplace is a game changer. Vendasta has a marketplace filled with software solutions, including cloud hosting, and everything is white labeled. This means you can customize everything and brand it as your own service. You can upsell cloud hosting to clients who need scalable and secure solutions, and you don't need to develop the infrastructure yourself. The third thing that makes Vendasta special is its client management system. As a cloud hosting reseller, your main challenge is customer retention. Vendasta's platform offers tools to manage your clients seamlessly, automated billing, client dashboards, and reporting tools that give you insights into how your cloud hosting services are performing. These tools let you track the value you're delivering, which keeps your clients happy and loyal. The fourth thing is the marketing automation tools built right into the platform. You can use Vendasta to generate leads, run email campaigns, and set up automated sales funnels that promote your cloud hosting services. Vendasta's marketing tools are incredibly powerful because they let you focus on growing your business while they handle the marketing logistics. You'll be able to run targeted ads and promotions that help you land new clients faster. Now, let's talk about pricing. Vendasta allows you to set your pricing structure for the cloud hosting services. Whether you want to offer it as a monthly subscription or charge on a per-use basis, Vendasta gives you the flexibility to customize your pricing strategy to suit your target market. This can be a huge advantage in staying competitive and maximizing your profits. Finally, I've got something special for you. If you're ready to get started with Vendasta, you can use the software for free through the link below, and I've even got exclusive bonuses lined up for you to get even more value from the platform. You won't find a deal like this anywhere else. So, to wrap up, Vendasta is the perfect platform for selling cloud hosting services. It lets you skip all the technical hassle and focus on what matters, growing your business. The integration with their marketplace, client management system, and marketing automation tools are all game changers, allowing you to deliver real value to your clients and scale your business. And don't forget, use the link below to get started with a free trial and get your exclusive bonuses. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the link for your extended free trial.